Hello and welcome to a new lesson, and that is part 4 about why is accent important in English language and how can we improve our English accent. These are two questions which we will discuss in this lesson. Let's move and talk about why is accent important in English language. Because you will be understood more easily by native speakers. You will be able to avoid embarrassing mistakes. You will make a positive impression when you speak English. We have some more ideas related to the same question. That is, you will improve your self-confidence when your accent is well, when you speak well. And you will be proud when you speak with a better English accent. And that's why learning English accent is so important to us as a learner. The second question is, how can we improve our English accent? Let's discuss about this. And the first point is, the first step in improving your English accent is to improve your listening skills. Listening is very, very important if you want to improve your accent. Because the more you listen, the more attention you pay to the way something is being spoken, something is being heard, something is being listened to. You need to hear the subtle difference between your speech and a native speaker's English. If you listen more, you'll also know the subtle difference, the thin difference between how you speak and how a native speaks. And spot the difference with your ears instead of your eyes. So pay more attention to what you listen and spot the difference. Point out the difference where you lack and how you can overcome and improve your accent. We have some more ideas about this. How can we improve our English accent? Revise all the sounds in English. And you know we have 44 sounds in English language. Why? Because it will help you understand which sounds easy and which sounds are challenging for you to pronounce, for you to speak. Start shadowing. What does shadowing mean? It means shadowing is to repeat out loud straight after it has been said. But don't just repeat without listening. Apart from this, you must also pay attention to word stress. That's all we have. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.